Alright, welcome people. So, it's a little bit of a jump start. I'm kind of fighting light right now, and I figured, you know what, I might as well film this while I'm doing it. But I gotta replace the seal and the pressure regulator in here, the little diaphragm in here. I'm pretty sure it's ripped because I have fuel all the way up to the throttle body. It's coming up here, going through, and just bypassing right back to the tank. And everything else works. I got spark, everything like that, but I don't have no fuel coming out of the my injectors. Which I know my injectors are fine. They were working just fine. I mean, unless it's like 1 in a million, which I mean can happen. I hope it's not. I hope it is just this. Should be, because it's getting plenty of pressure and everything, or plenty of fuel. It's just not building pressure, so yeah, that's pressure regulator. At least that would be my guess, and anybody else's that I would imagine. So we're just gonna pop this off real quick. Sorry, it's kind of dark. I'm fighting light right now. It's I don't know, 5:30. No, yeah, 5:30, 5:40, somewhere right in there. So. And these bolts are all longer. They're all different. I don't like this one. Hang on. This one's being kind of iffy. I don't know what's going on there. If it's just gummed up, maybe they... Yeah, okay. It was just maybe gummed up. Yeah, I'm doing it again, so... Ooh, yeah, that's kind of sketchy there. It'll be alright, though. It'll come out. Must just be a tight fit. That or somebody who was in it before put Loctite in there. Very possible. Not gonna say no names, just the last owner of this van probably did it. Alright, let's see. Oh, nice. It just pops right apart. It didn't even fight me. I was kind of expecting a little bit of fight, to be honest with you. Now, I've never really taken one of these apart completely, so not exactly sure how this works. So give me just 1 second here. Keep all those in line so I know where they all go. Pretty important. Whoa, got some fuel. Oops. Whoa, shit. Okay, I saw where it landed. We're good. Okay, so that's my seal. Okay. See, I've never pulled one of these completely apart before, so didn't quite know what I was getting into. Pretty basic from the looks of it, though. Just seal around here for your little eyeballs there. I don't know, your injectors, I guess you would call them. And then I'm guessing little diaphragms in here, so that's what I'm going to work on here. Oh, yeah, gotta love it when the gasket's just literally caked to the thing. Okay, that'll be a fun fight. Pop this diaphragm out and see what we're dealing with here. Oh! You little bastards. Hopefully I got one small enough. Okay, well, it went from a T20, probably a T15. I have a T10. Uh-oh. Let's just hope they jumped the size, huh? I have my doubts, but we'll find out. Yeah, it's a T15. Let me see just how tight these are. Depending on how tight they are. They're not too tight. At least that one wasn't. That one isn't. That one isn't. Alright, cool. I don't recommend doing that, but you know what? In a pinch, it works. Wow, they put some long screws in it. I was expecting this just to be like, I don't know. Honestly, I don't know what I was expecting it to be. Big pain in the ass. Knock on wood that it isn't. So far, it's looking like the biggest pain is going to be these gaskets. Alrighty, we're continuing on. I put the new diaphragm in. It was a real pain in the ass. Here, let me show you the spring that came out of it. That spring, that thing doesn't feel very tough when it's out, but once you're trying to put it all back together and stuff, shit wants to fling out and go every which way. It's a real pain in the ass, but we got it. So now we're going to put it back on, and hopefully this works. Because I really don't want to have to, I don't want to have wasted all that money. Granted, it's not a lot, but I did pay the shipping and stuff. All in, I'm about $50-$60 into it. Which, I mean, yeah, it ain't that bad, but still money. So, you know, just hoping this stuff works. I'm hoping it works. I'm losing light. It's going to be kind of interesting. I'll have to do the video of the jump start and everything. Unfortunately, I do not have a charged battery for this thing. I ended up using the battery that I had for it in the truck, because I bought new tires for this thing, got it all ready to go, it was all running really good. And then all of a sudden, out of nowhere, it blew for getting valve stem seals. So it smokes like a freight train. So I gotta fix that. It's really a simple fix when it comes down to it. I just didn't have the tools to do it. But now, luckily, I got the tools to do it, so here soon I'll be doing a video on that. Stay tuned for that. That ought to be a good one. We'll have to tear it down pretty much the whole top side of the motor to get to everything, because they made everything a real pain in the ass, so you can't just pop a valve cover and see what you're working with. It's like, oh yeah, no, we're going to put the AC condenser right in the way. We're going to put the shift linkage for the old transmission right in the way. Lots of crap. And there's a lot of stuff I still don't quite understand on this van. It's a lot weirder than a lot of vehicles I've worked on. It's set up different. I don't know if it's just because it's a van or what. It's definitely different. Sorry about the camera moving. You know, I'm kind of limited to where I can put my phone. I need to get an actual camera so my video quality is a little better too. Then I can actually start editing and doing all the YouTube videos a little better. For now, though, it is what it is. You either like it or you don't. So like and subscribe if you do like this kind of stuff. And I mean, as you can see, you go onto my channel, or if you're on my channel, look up some of the other videos I got. It's getting going. I'm still figuring out the editing and everything, but you know, gotta start somewhere. Should be fun. But every like and subscribe helps, especially right now, because YouTube's algorithm makes it to where little channels like mine can't get any views at all. It doesn't show people anything unless I'm willing to pay for it. And right now I'm just not at that point. It's not that much, to me. It's just I'm having a good time and I'm showing my progress of my daily routine. And if you like it or take interest in it or want to learn something, you can always ask a question or whatever. I'll answer back. I might not answer back right away, but I'll answer back pretty quickly usually. Usually within a few days. Because, well, my channel's small. I'm not getting swamped with thousands of messages. If I start getting swamped with thousands of comments or something, it might take me a little while to get back to it. But at that point, that'd be the least of my worries about it. I'd be having to do a lot more editing and figuring out how to make better videos. Because as of right now, it's just amateur videos. Like I said, you gotta start somewhere. Okay. Well, we're in. We're gonna put these back on. And hopefully she fires right up. Oop. It's getting hard. I can't see shit. There we go. Alright. Well, I said I'm going to go get the truck and then I'll pull it around. We'll jump start this thing. See if this fixes my problem. Alright. Stay tuned. Alrighty. So we're back. We got the truck here. The good old diesel. The beast. We're going to hang on here. Hey, looky there. There's some jumper cables. Can you imagine why those are there? Hang on, can't see anything. There we go. Sorry. Trying to do this and filming at the same time is not always the easiest. We make it work. But it's not the easiest. Alright. Hang on 1 second. There we go. Had to remember how I did it last time. It's been a while. Because one way it'll start and the other way it won't at all. Why, I don't know. I couldn't tell you. Just how the terminals are, I guess. Yeah, I'm due for some new ones on here too. Definitely due for some new terminals. Christmas is coming up. Gosh. Make a Christmas present to myself and buy some terminals. Alright, let's see if she'll fire up. Might have to adjust those a little bit, I don't know. Oh, hang on. That would be bad. Yeah, that wouldn't work real good. I smell fuel, so it gave its initial squirt. Let's try it again here. Oh, hang on. Come on, really? Gotta love the steering lock. Oh, come on. There it is. I think that's just a classic Chevy thing, ain't it? Oh, come on. Okay. Well, maybe that's not the problem then. Sorry, you can't see anything on here. And I know it's getting spark. So it's got fuel. It's getting spark. I don't know what else it could be. Oh, there we go. Got lights. Huh. Okay, it's got to be something electrical then.